Getting a lot of questions in regards to asset allocation. One, to let you know basically where it came from, what's good, what's not good. We're not going to keep this one very long today. Asset allocation is a subject that came about basically in the 1950s, part of modern portfolio theory. Not so modern, obviously, it's 1950s, but they're still calling it modern portfolio theory. Basically, Harry Markowitz at the time came out with a theory that putting things together in a portfolio, they all have a correlation together. And how those things play together in the portfolio will determine the amount of risk that you're assuming in the portfolio, therefore the amount of return that you should be expecting. So what happens is over a period of time, different securities act differently. They are correlated to each other or they are uncorrelated to each other. Adding something to an asset allocation does one of two things and one of two things only. It either is designed to increase the return. You want to add something to a portfolio to essentially increase return. The other thing is you want to add it to the portfolio to reduce risk. That's ideally, you want it to do both of those things. So increase return, reduce risk. They don't do that all the time, but that's essentially what you're looking to do. Okay, thanks.